Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you guys how I achieved this look. This was my Christmas inspired nail look and I used some gold leaf. So just stick on and watch. Okay, so the first thing I did is I pulled out my nails. So basically what I was doing here is I picked out the nails that fit the tips that fit my nails best, and then I was just shaping them out, and after yeah, I arranged them, and then after that I stuck them onto my nails. It's a very basic process. I don't explain that. And then after that I filed my nails down into the shape that I wanted. I prefer using tips as opposed to actual nails because I can always customize tips more easily, while with nails that come pre-shaped, I I can never find the right sizes that fit my nails. They're either too big or too small or too short because I have like naturally long fingertips. So usually they're too short or whatever, and I feel like, why am I even wearing nails? So yeah. Anyways, so after that, after filing down my nails, I just dusted my fingers off because there's like so much all that nail dust all over. I'm so sorry for the noise in the background. I want to film this, so neighbor is playing music, but whatever. But yeah, so that is basically it. And then I was just checking it for like extra pieces of plastic that like tend to stay around. But yeah, I just cleaned all of that up, and then we move on to the next step. Alright, so next, um, next I apply my base coat. So this is a base coat that I am using. So I just apply that all over my fingernails, and then after that I cure. So I apply like a nice and generous layer of it. So I cure for however long it takes to dry. Just that my lamp is so small, so it takes longer than usual. But usually 30 seconds to 1 minute should be enough if you have a proper lamp. And then next, I don't have red in gel, so I just used a normal red nail polish, and I used that on my ring finger on both sides of my hand because that's the style that I was looking for. Mind you, you want to do this, you want to let it dry and then add another layer. I forgot to add another layer of it, but that's okay, it still worked. So the next thing that I did is I got this glitter nail polish. I love this glitter, it's so beautiful. So I focused mostly on the tips of my nails because that's the look that I was going for. I wanted it to sort of be like an ombre kind of thing, but I don't really have everything for ombre right now. So I was just faking the shape with the makeup with the nail polish brush, and I just kept doing that. But it still turned out really pretty. So I just kept going over it until I was pretty much satisfied because yeah, sometimes I put too little glitter, sometimes I put too much, but that's okay. It doesn't matter, basically. But that's what I kept doing. I kept going with that. But, like, guys, I love the way this set turned out. Oh my god, you have no idea. And if you don't have gel in a certain color, just use normal nail polish and finish it off with a top coat. That's just the way to go. It doesn't stay as long as with gel, but it's still really good and it saves you a whole lot of money. So yeah. Okay, so next I picked up this gold leaf. So you can use this is average gold leaf that I use for baking, and I used a pair of tweezers. So just cutting out like really tiny pieces of the gold leaf and just applying that to my nails. So I found it easier to apply with the tweezers. It was just a little crazy to cut the pieces off, but yeah, as you guys can see, I'm just applying the gold leaf as randomly as I can, seeing what works, seeing what looks good, and whatever and everything. So I applied gold leaf to 3 of my fingers. I didn't want it on all my fingers, but I think I got carried away and applied it to 3. Initially, I was just gonna do my middle finger and my ring finger, but I ended up going for my index finger as well, which was just, I think I did my index finger because I got some gold leaf on the nail. Oh, and then another thing that made this so easy is the fact that, remember, I'm using normal nail polish, yeah? So as it dries, it gets sticky. So this was before it had fully dried. So if you want to use something like this, definitely do it before it fully dries, because it just made the sticking process so much easier. Of course, the gold leaf would have worked, but then this just made it so much easier. But yeah, after I did that on both hands, I went in with my top coat. I actually did this several times. So I applied the top coat, cured, and then applied it again and cured it again, just to make sure that my nail polish does stay as long as I want it to, and my nails don't fall out at any given point in time. But yeah, so guys, look at that. Like, I'm still screaming to the day, and this is like a month later. But yeah, so this is my nails. If you guys enjoyed this video and if you'd like more videos like this, let me know in the comment section, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye.